How to get rid of professional account on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. Tap on your profile option there and it will lead you to your homepage. And as you can see here professional dashboard. That means your account is currently on professional mode. Now to be able to get rid of that professional account is what you want to do is on the upper right, you will see the burger icon there or the three dash lines there. Tap on that and here go to settings. Now here on settings, what I want you to do next is to look for the account options there. It's actually under ads and above help. Tap on account here and scroll all the way down up until you see switch account type. So tap on switch account type here and tap on switch to personal account. And here it will ask a confirmation to switch your account to personal account. Then just confirm it, and here just wait for it, and now you have switch it to your personal account. Now if you go back here to your profile, you won't be able to see that professional dashboard anymore, and that is how you get rid of professional account in Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.